Hi guys, so this is the video for the Pride Shop. I'm going to show you the revenue, the traffic, so the analytics. Let's go year to date. So Pride Shop was started in April of this year. As you can see, 9,247.32. Let's have a look at the store sessions. Okay, so like I said, as you can see, April we started already pretty well there. May going even more. June is obviously Pride month, so big peak there. A little dip afterwards. I think we can safely say we can be around 7,500 quite easily every month. Obviously something's happened in my personal life that I'm no longer able to run the business, and hence why you'll see August. I just haven't had any time, haven't been really doing anything with it, but the track record is there from the very get-go. So that's the traffic revenue. I'll show you. I've been using PayPal. Obviously there's much more efficient ways. I haven't been using Shopify payments or any other provider because I'm not an American resident, and I'm not able to actually do that because I don't have an American bank account. Costs can be cut a lot if using Shopify payments, for example. You don't pay transaction fees, all of that. But yeah, let's have a look. The summary. Okay. Sorry, this is my new PayPal account. Let me go back to the right one. Let's have a look at reports. Financial summaries. Let's have a look. 2018. So sales activity, 8,445 rand. Dollars, sorry. Fees were $423. You can see refunds that were sent, $204. So refund rate is actually quite good, sitting at around 2.5% for drop shipping. That's really, really good. It's just over 2.5%. You'll see, okay, so this isn't exactly the same as Shopify because I had an issue with PayPal and I had to open another account as they locked the account for proof of residence. I couldn't provide them with proper proof of residence that they required. It's difficult not being in the US or a European country, to be honest. So this is the other account that I opened. Let's have a look at the same financial reports. So we've done $600. This is end of July that I brought this on, or middle of July. Dispute activity. So that's it, guys. That's my site, the Pride Shop, traffic revenue, all of that shown to you.